Hey there, here's LingoJet, and today I'm gonna talk about the French alphabet, the most basic thing that every French learner should commence with it. Before we get started, just go there, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification if you haven't done it. Let's go. First of all, I will read the whole French letters and then we will repeat them together. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it's not H, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one, Z. So these are the French letters. In French, you have 6 vowel letters that in French you should call them as voyelles. So voyelle means vowels. There are A, I, E, O, U, and the last one, Y. So these are voyelles or vowels. And the rest of them are considered as consonant or consonant. Consonant. So, voyelle means vowel and consonant means consonants. That's it, friends. So, before we just repeat these letters together, I should just mention some critical points in this lesson. You have J and G. You have E and U in alphabet. So please don't confuse these letters together. Alright? Great. Okay. Repeat after me. Répète après moi. A, B, C, D. Très bien, great. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, that means double V, W means double V, X, Y, the last one, Z. Great. So basically, the French letters are the same as the English letters, but there are some differences in some grammatical stuff like the accents that I will just teach them in next videos, so don't worry about that. If you have any question, you can just comment it below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribe, and having your post notification turned on. See you later.